Ayan. Welcome to Melbourne. Guys, dito na kami sa farm. Ayan si Holly, kumakain na siya ng snacks. Punta na kami sa hotel. Where's Daddy? There. I'm gonna see Daddy, Baba. Yes, hot. It's hot. Are you happy? Say yes. Happy. Yes, she's happy. Smile, Baba. Laugh. Cry. Happy. Dance. Dance. Smile. Oops, peekaboo. Wow. Yan lang laro naming dalawa. Dad! Dad! Yeah, we're gonna see Dad soon. Guys, ang ganda ng service ng nagsundo sa amin kasi may siya humingi ng ng gatas. Wala na akong tubig. May patubig sila. Oh, ayan. Ito yung sa akin. Ito yung kay Holly. Di ba? Ang galing. Feeling namin very special kami ni Holly today. Free flight, free accommodation, free transfer. Ayun na si Jan, naghihintay. Nauna na siya sa akin. Ayan. Ayan na siya. So yeah, see you later guys. Bye. Thank you. Thanks. Han, get Holly. Thanks. What's your name?
Tim.
Hi Tim, nice to meet you Tim. How Filipino siya oh.
Salamat po.
Salamat po. Wow, Papa, Daddy's here. Thank you so much. Okay.
Do you know where to go?
No, I think someone will come here tomorrow again. Thank you. See ya. Bye bye. Yan yung nagsundo sa.
in the catalog.
Okay, yeah. Thank you. Papa. Dito na kami guys. Dito kami nag-stay pag pumunta ng Melbourne kaya alam namin kung maganda itong hotel. Ayun si Daddy. I'm just gonna put this one here first. That was so noisy, but that was so small. I was so scared. Howard?
Oh, Howard?
Yes.
Good friends. Yeah. Yeah. Staying for 2 nights.
Yes.
You'll have all of it. Any incident.
You are here now, Bobo. We're checking in.
How much is going parking right now?
$35 for 24 hours. So just say, even if you want to leave the car here once you check out, you're welcome to do that. And then just
So we're here till Thursday morning.
Yeah.
if you're not going to be using the car on certain days, you can self-park it for $20 per 24 hours. We do have a secure underground car park.
Yep.
Oh, you like it? No, not outside, not outside. Not outside. Go there, Papa. Holly here. Etong hotel guys, dito kami lagi nagsistay pag pag pumupunta ka talaga kami ng Melbourne. Andiyan ang sisyanteng na. What? Yeah. Oh, why? Are we not gonna use the car? Baba! So, yeah guys, dito kami lagi nagsistay pag pumupunta ng Melbourne. Ayun si Holly. Baba! Stay here. No, 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 no. Don't go outside. Don't go outside. Ayan, maganda talaga dito. Nung nakita yung itinerary ko saka mag-stay, sabi ko, oh my God, sabi ko, this is good. Ayan, Holly. Tumatay siya, guys. Let's go, Holly. Hirang pupo. Okay, go. It's yucky na. Wala ka ganyan. Panakatipito na siya. Alam na yan. Go. Go, Daddy. Go. Go, Baba. Come on. Come on. Go in. Go inside, Baba. Good girl. Oops, sorry. Stay there, Baba. Yeah, I think. What floor bed?
6.
Go, back. Go.
Go,
Let's
Baba.
go. Baba. Who's doing tipito? 6. Which way, Holly? Do you know? Which way? Follow Daddy, quick! Let's go! Hurry up, run! Yeah, come on, follow Daddy. Okay, go in, Baba. Good girl. Pasok na tayo sa room namin, guys. Room namin, guys. Is it queen bed, Bev? Is it 2 queen bed? Queen bed? Single. Ayan, queen bed. Oh,
What's that?
no.
What is that?
No. Don't eat that, Baba.
I am happy on this island. Wanna be my fondland. I don't ever want to leave. I'm in a tropic club.
You
Gonna get some papa. You wanna get some papa?
Ang taas ng tulog mo, ha? Oops.
We got some
Kigising
garlic
lang
bread.
namin from nap. Time check is
You want some garlic bread?
3:30. So, ayan,
Some
nakatulog
food?
kami. Tapos kanina,
No.
may kumakatok, may ano sila, may hinatid sila na partakot-kot from ano daw, from Bonds padala dito. So, ayun na. Yan. Para kay Holly. Pero hindi naman yung gagawin din ni Holly kasi matutulog siya sa akin. Ayun si Holly. Holly!
Yeah.
You ready, Baba? Let's go.
Parang inaantok pa siya.
Let's go. Come on. Let's go, Baba.
Ewan mo pa. Tingnan mo ang ginawa niya sa headband niya. Ganyan yan lagi. Kahit yung sa mga, parang kaya sando siya. Or yung top niya, ginagawa niya ganyan, no? Pa-side. Holly, what are you doing with your headband, Holly? Ginawa mo na siya ng pa-side, baba. Wait for mommy. Stop here, baba.
Come on. Okay.
Magdi-dinner na kami, guys. Maghanap ko ng... Ayan, si Holly. Hi, Holly.
Oh, Daddy's feet.
Good girl, Papa. Go find Daddy. Labas kami, maghanap kayo ng restaurant kung saan kami kakain for dinner. Maaga pa, mga 4 pa lang. Kaso wala pa kaming kain simula kanina pa. So, maghanap na tayo ng makakainan. Ayun si Holly.
Where's my hammer?
Huh?
Where's my hammer?
Look at your hair, Beba. Okay, you know where we're going back? Hi.
Here you go there. How are you? Just going around those bar.
Dito na kami sa street kung saan namin nahanapin yung kakainan namin last time. Kasi masarap dun, guys. So, yun yung dalaw. $4:35 pa lang, guys. Magdi-dinner na kami ni Chan. Yeah. Pollo. Hanap. No. It looks like Holly. Ayan guys, dito kami pupunta. Dios, ano yan ha? Dios Pagpor. Dito. Ah, sarap. Sabi niya na lang ba ko? Not in there, Not there,
This one.
Yeah. So Holly can go that corner.
Have you got a high chair? Yeah, thank you.
Ayan, Baba. I'm hungry. Yay! You can sit here first. Oh, Mr. Papa. Very hot. Oh, it's very hot, darling. Mommy will cut it.
Gotta blow. Hot.
So honey, hot, Baba. Hot. Yeah, yummy, isn't it? Hot. Blow, blow. Blow, blow, blow.
This one by marble.
Blow, blow, blow. Marinara. Holly. Katatapos lang ng dinner namin. Tapos, habang naglalakad kami, nakita namin yung dito kasi sa Australia, mayroong show na yung tawag The Block. Yung nagre-renovate sila ng mga bahay. Eto siya guys, pakita ko sa inyo. Ayan siya. Kanina nakita ni Jan yung dalawa. Gusto niya makapag-video para ipakita doon sa friend namin. Yes. Trap. Say trap. Okay, go. Slow down. Walk only. Walk. Just walk, Papa. Watch where you going, Papa. Dog, Papa, dog. Good dog. Hi, doggy. Coffee. Ayan ang coffee ni Jan.
Instead of cake,
Okay. Kumanta, Papa.
they had three cheeses on top of each other as a
Hi. So, nakabalik na kami dito sa hotel. Nasa lobby lang kami. Ayun. Holly, come here, Papa. Come on. Here. Say bye. Papa. Uy. Say bye. Bye. Flying kiss. Flying kiss. Flying kiss, Papa. Uy. Ayan. Say bye. Flying kiss. Good girl. Bye.
Come on, then.
Come on, Papa. Go, get in. First and Daddy. Hurry up. Go, Holly. Good girl. Good job, Papa. This way, Papa.
you see, 'cause I